protein.
Good morning, my babies. So my mission today is to put up the shower curtain because the one that we had, it was ripping and all the things are like super old and broken, so it's my job to put the shower, take it off and put it back on. I already took off the thing, I just gotta put it back on, which is gonna be a pretty hard task because hey. What are you? Hey. What did you get? Hey. Rhino. So, yeah, that's what I have to do today. That's all I have to do. But, other than that, I gotta upload the video. And I just put the clips in. So now I just gotta put them on Movie Maker, and then, yeah, but yesterday was really fun. You'll see why. Oh, you already know why. Point is, I liked yesterday. Okay. I'd like to point out that it's only 10:53, and I already had a brownie. There's one left, and I'm going to have less shakies. That's enough for me. I'm hungry. So if anybody else wants some, well, sorry, I'm hungry. And it's there, so we're just gonna eat it. It's cold in here though. I've never been cold. Well, that's a lie. I've been cold, but I've never been this cold. Really. Normally the cold doesn't bother me, but today it's just getting to me. Playing with the ice. Hold up. It's probably bad to play with ice when I'm cold, huh? Yeah. But any hoozles, I'm gonna need a dang it, it's dirty. Darn. We'll just have to use this plate.
The Camp Rock plate.
Because that's manly. And because why not? And I'm gonna eat this giant chicken. 3 slices of pizza and some Mojos. Why? Because I'm fat. I'm just kidding. I'm not fat. I'm just hungry. I just really want food. That's all I want. I'm talking to myself. Pretty much right now. Me talking to you guys is pretty much just me talking to myself. Which is fine. I talk to myself a lot. Let's see. No. Do for a good. No. Okay, 2 minutes. I thought about my chicken. I was like, wait, my chicken won't be warm in a minute. Hey. That didn't hurt. I know it didn't hurt. He was a strong dude. So. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey. What's up? I fell asleep at 2. Woke up at 3:30. That was a great nap. I didn't want to wake up, but I had to. I have no energy. Like, I don't know what it is. I honestly don't know what it is, and I can't. It's so hard to just do things. I came outside with Rhino. It's actually really nice out here. And then I guess the wind was blowing so hard so much that it's pushed the clouds over towards Pico Rivera or towards the east. Because look, there's like no clouds back there. And then there's clouds like all over there. And then the clouds, I don't know if you can see them, are all the way over there. Yep. Where's my finger? Oops. That's all them right there. That right there. So, yeah. But it feels really nice outside right now, and I'm actually really enjoying it. I might just stay out here for a little bit, and I could You know, I'm not texting anybody, so, you know, my iPod won't be a problem or anything like it normally is. I don't know. God, he scared me. Stupid. So Jesse just gave me a heart attack because it was raining. He's like, Deb! Deb! And I was like, watching a video come. I don't think you want to go outside, dude.
There it is. Oh.
So it's raining, which is really random because there's light in the sky over there, and then it's rain coming in sideways. Like Forrest Gump. Rain came from all kinds of different rain. Sideways rain. Wow, that's so random. Like, dang. Well,
Steph,
at least I don't gotta water the grass for another couple days. What?
for the views.
For the viewers. Go back inside, you sissy dog. Damn. Can you guys even see this rain? Oh yeah, you can. There it is. What about over here? No, you can't see it. Jesus Christ!
That's clear enough.
It is. It's so windy.
It's gonna stop raining right now, what?
Well, I don't know because there's clouds. Dang. Look at how hard it's coming down. It's actually just, it's like mist coming off of the thing right there.
So there's gonna be an earthquake, and it's gonna rain hail, and no zombie apocalypse.
I'm gonna hurt you.
That's what's gonna happen. There's gonna be no zombie apocalypse. There's gonna be rain and earthquakes.
No, don't say that. I like rain.
Not gonna lie, I'm pretty cold. I'm usually not cold.
Look at Rhino. Hey, bud. Rhino.
Darn, I'll go out there.
That's how hard it's coming down. Oh, poor guy. Where is he? Poor guy.
At least he's brought a jacket.
Yeah, at least he got a jacket. Even Rhino's shaking.
Oh God, you're cold.
Jesus.
We're all cold. I'm just in the rain right now.
I love the rain so much.
Cold too.
Rhino is like,
Oh, I'm sucking. Oh man.
poor guy. His misfortunes.
Hi cars! Yeah, we're standing in the rain. What? Oh God! I think the heart attack didn't go down so far.
I know.
And it's only spring.
Well, if I get my winter and spring, that's cool with me too.
I'm cool getting my summer. I'm cool getting my summer and winter, and then my rain and summer. Well, it's the opposite of winter. So it's gonna be opposite season. So we're gonna have winter today. We're gonna have winter, spring. We had summer and summer and winter, and then for winter, well, for summer it's gonna be summer. Well, for summer it's gonna be winter and it's gonna rain. Actually, look.
What you doing, dude? Yeah, something like that. You sissy dog. Rhino, is it cold out here? Alright, let's go back inside before Mom yells at me.
Well, she won't.
Well, because I'm still sick, so she'd yell at me and be like, "You're never gonna get better!" So, close the door.
Oh, I know I'm not.
Close this one too, because when Mom comes home, she's gonna be like, "Ooh, it's cold," so, yeah.
I want to check out my windows. I have all my windows open.
Oh man, you better go close those. Ow! Nobody wants to play, stupid. Jesus. No wonder I felt so lazy. It's because of the rain. It's coming. Rain makes me, gives me energy and makes me tired at the same time. So it's a real struggle. You've got to be kidding me. It rained for like 2 seconds. Look. Hey Jesse, have you seen outside?
What?
Have you seen outside?
It's sunny.
Yeah. It rained for like 2 seconds. There's some weird stuff going on lately. Some really weird stuff. I don't know. Nature, what are you doing? Wow, okay, talk about bad vlogging. After I showed you guys how it rained for like 2 seconds, I didn't do anything after that. And that's horrible. That was like around probably like 3 o'clock or 4. I didn't record for the rest of the night. I swear I did though. Wow, talk about horrible vlogging. Anyway, I'm sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button. Sorry. Random question of the night. What's your favorite animal? Good night.